Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off newsletters on emails notifications settings on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications, and now click email notifications. And here, as you see, you will find here newsletters. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off newsletters on your email notification settings. Easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.